Hi, it's Really Bad Gamer, and today I'm doing a little video about how yesterday I nearly got killed by a tornado. Luckily there was no wind to get the tornado started, but what worries me the most today is that these clouds are over me and I can't see how tall they are, because if there was 50,000 feet I would definitely be scared again, because those are supercell clouds, and basically you can only have a tornado from supercell clouds. But over in Kidderminster, it's a place in England, I was with my nan, mum, dad, brother, granddad, and this tornado, man, I'm glad there was no wind, because it would have proper teared through everything. But yeah, sorry about not being able to make a very long video. And yeah, my name's the Really Bad Gamer, TRBG, and be sure to check out DarkCommander, the gaming guy, and Done 3 Dudes. It's a channel with no videos because me, a gaming guy, and DarkCommander haven't had a chance to get together and make any, but yeah. See ya. Hopefully I'll still be around to upload this. I may be killed by a tornado, so yeah, bye.